Here's how to clear your Google search history on your phone or computer completely. First, open any browser on your phone or computer and go to myactivity.google.com. If you're not signed in, log into your Google account. Once you're on the activity page, tap Web App Activity. Scroll down and you'll see every Google search you've made across all your devices, phone, tablet, or computer. To remove one specific search, tap the X next to it. This instantly deletes that search from your account and removes it from all devices. You can also delete searches by date. Tap Delete, then choose Last Hour, Last Day, All Time, Custom Range. If you choose All Time, you can filter by product. Just select Search if you only want to delete Google search history, not YouTube, Maps, or other activity. If you don't want Google to save your search history anymore, scroll up and tap Turn Off next to Web and App Activity. You can also enable Auto Delete, so Google automatically removes your search history every 3 months, 18 months, 36 months. This keeps your account clean without doing anything manually, and that's it. Your Google search history is now cleared.